Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Returning subscribers, thank you for coming back. So today is on Wednesday and I just wanted to start the weekly vlogs. Give me a minute. Hello? Yes, more chenge please. Okay, thanks. Yeah, so my Uber is here. It is 9 and I need to go to a certain training for my work. So yeah, I'll see if I can take you guys with me. And it is raining heavily, like, oh my goodness. Anyway, so I'm wearing pants, heels. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, this is what I'm wearing. I think it's good enough, so I might be filming today. That's why I'm dressed up. So yeah, I'll try to show you guys behind the scenes and let's see how the rest of the week goes. I hope you guys are having a great week so far. And yeah, yeah, okay, let's go. I am late. I am super late. Yeah.
I don't want pull no trigger. I just want me, cause I can play. I don't want no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. The last time that I checked. Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Hey, yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Anything for club. Do anything for club. Do anything for club. Anything for club. Do anything for club. They do anything for club. Do anything for club. Whole lot of people need to hear this. Till I names on my hit list. I'll still say what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should
Hi guys, what's up? My name is Michael. I don't concentrate on the bags. But you know me, I always get the bag. I'm securing the bag. And that's what you see. That's what you see.
Yeah.
But it's full of money. Full of dollars.
Yes. Yeah. We are from making dollars. Can you imagine? Michael made me dress up and I didn't do any video. Yeah.
When you dress up, you feel confident. It does something to your self-esteem. Now you see those ladies
on the best.
You see the way now they were like addressing you and they were like, yeah, you know, Miss Taco, if it pleases you, you know, please, we can help you, we can sort you. Whatever you need, we got you. Yeah? Because you were dressed to kill. So that
I like nilikuwa na kapoa leo shwari.
show up at you always good. Yeah, and what I show up at you. That's what I want to know.
Feeling vibes on vibes. I'm ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. My set, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find a pick up at 5. If you hit your enemies shine. If you're not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You have to make it. Vibe killer. Me and no go take shit. Vibe killer. You should come tonight. I only kick you in the tight. They won't tell cause they're trying to live their best life too. On the low, on my own, I'll be waiting. Put me on the phone, I'll be waiting. Yeah, yeah. Almost
kwa Kenya kweli? Unaona kwa sherehe zake za wazee. Ni matendo vitani.
Baby, not the way that you talk and the things that you say, where they make you feel alright. And I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why you look so fine, baby girl. I see you, wanna ride you like a bicycle, and you they blow my mind, for my mind to go. And I no go lie, you light up my life. And when she tell me my love is your love, baby, she don't want the Gucci bag or the Fendi, 'cause she give me butterflies in my belly. Ooh, Lord.
Hey guys, so today is on Friday. I tried to show you guys snippets of how I spent my day, and by now you should know I went for a photo shoot. So I was doing my birthday photo shoot, and it was okay. So it was a bit of a stressful day, but guys, look at how I look. This is just such a different look for me. Like, I literally have never done blonde. Like, this is platinum blonde. Like, it is literally white. Oh my goodness. So it's so funny because this was not the plan. This was never the plan. I've had like a really crazy day. First of all, I was late for my makeup appointment, so I got there 1 hour late, and of course I left there 1 hour late. I got there at around she started doing my face. That is Ruky Beauty, by the way. She did my face for like 2 hours, if I'm not wrong. It took like 2 hours plus, you know, a bit of content and all that. So, oh my goodness, I felt so beautiful after she finished. Like, we went for the smoky eyes. I don't know if you guys can see. Gosh, this lighting is not even doing it. So she did smoky eye look and bold lip because my outfit was red. Come on, what's that noise? So yeah, because my outfit was red, so I wanted something bold on my eyes. I wanted like glowing from within kind of look. Like, oh my goodness, she's good. She's really, really good. You guys check her out. So are you kidding me? So after she finished, I had to go to jpson's salon to get my hair done. So mind you, it's like 3 p.m. and my shoot, I was supposed to be there by 5 p.m. So going to jpson's salon, I'm already late. He has a long line. I'm panicking. And anyway, we try to, you know, we are coming up with a hairstyle on the spot. This is not something that I pre-planned. No, I just told him I have a photo shoot and I need good hair. Do something, you know? So he was like, yeah, sure, you come, you know? So in my head, I was thinking there is this bone straight, long black hair that I saw that he had, and then there was this curly hair. So in my head, black curly hair. I thought if worst comes to worst, you know, the thing is, I didn't want to do color again because I thought I'm already like the weaving I had was already dark chocolate. You know, it had color. So I thought something different is going to be black then, because I was wearing red. It only makes sense to wear black, right? But blonde never came to my mind, ever. So he had already styled it. It was just somewhere in the corner. I saw it and I ignored it. Then I pointed out to another hair that was there. Then it was like, no, that one has a client. Then I'm like, so I've already removed my wave. what happens now? Then he literally gave me two options, this and there was another one. So the other one had color, but it was like ginger, right? It was like ginger color, then it was super long, and my dress wanted something short or ponytail. So now he was like, if this is not going well with your dress, then you only have one more option. And he put this on my head. Immediately I wore this hair, because already I had the makeup on and everything. Immediately I wore it. I felt like everyone in the salon looked at me like, wow, you know. I felt like, even myself, like when I saw it, I was just like, it's actually not bad, it's actually very nice. Like, it's giving, you know, Madonna, Marilyn Monroe, like amazing. Look at that, guys. I don't know, this is beautiful, and the quality is amazing. So he just installed it for me so nicely, so seamlessly. Look at that. Like, this hair is so nice. So I was scared, and I was so scared because I'm like, you really don't want to mess up, not on your birthday. You know, you feel like these are looks you will do like on a random day. You're just like, you know, let me go for a shoot, and then you do a crazy hair, but my dear, not on your birthday. And I did it. So yeah, there you go. This was the look I went for. I absolutely loved it. I got to the photo shoot session at 5:30 and I left there at around, is it 8? Because I was struggling to choose my pictures, you know, my birthday pictures. So yeah, guys, as you all know, my birthday is going to be next week on Thursday, and I am so happy. I am so grateful. I'm looking forward to it. Yeah, you know, like I just feel so blessed. So anyway, it was a very, 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 very long day, especially week, because also I kept on looking for outfits left, right, center. Something funny, I had the outfit in the house. I just needed to look harder. So I didn't need to buy a new outfit. Even after buying, the one I bought wasn't giving, but it was good enough for like another good event. So I just kept it, but didn't wear it, and wore something that I already had, you know, from Fashion Nova. So of course I showed you guys like how it looks, snippets and all that, and of course I'll show you guys like the final like look, like the photo shoots, how they turn out next week. So yeah, yeah, I know I've talked for a while but I just needed to show you guys like this look. Oh gosh, I feel like it's so nice. I feel so bad. I don't want to sleep. I don't want to remove it. I just want to I want to sit up and wait till tomorrow and use it again. Like, I don't want to rub off this makeup. Hey, it's nice. Hey, today I don't know who will take me out. Okay, I feel so pretty. I'm telling you, nikingia, like when I go back home, the soldier was like, Latifa, uyo si wewe, mimi ningekupita, you know. So anyway, yeah, I just feel so bold today. Like, I did a very bold thing, and I'm so proud of myself. I've overcome the fear of color and, you know, all that. So this is gonna be a very different photo shoot, I'm telling you. I can't wait. What? Yani, everything is still intact. Oh my gosh, guys, I need to go somewhere. I don't know where, but I need to go somewhere. Let me call Stacy and find out what's happening. Guys, look at that. Okay, what? So for makeup, Ruky Beauty. For hair, Gypsum Collection. And the dress I showed you guys while I was doing the shoot is from Fashion Nova. I had bought it earlier, but I didn't think I'll wear it for my birthday shoot, you know. This light is not good, but Ooh, my dear, who is this? Who is this? Anyway, yo, I want to eat. Yes, I want to eat. Then I wanted to show you guys that. No, I'm not showing you now. I'll show you later. But yeah, I want to eat and then look for a plan. If I don't get a plan, then we just get ready for bed and sleep, because I'm also very tired. It's just that I just feel like, God, I want to be seen. You know, I want to be seen. Oh gosh. Anyway, let me eat something. Some leftover from yesterday. What's happening? This lights. Oof. Ooh. Hey guys, so today is on Saturday, and as you can see, I am dressed up. Stacy is coming for me. We go for a friend's thing. Yeah, so I just wanted to quickly close this week's vlog. I know it was short, but yeah, anyway, I hope you guys had a very lovely week. Let's see what next week holds. My birthday week. I'm so excited and I'm so grateful. So let me show you guys my outfit quickly. So this is what I am wearing. Yeah. My shoes are like on the other side. Yeah, so this is like a two-piece from Fashion Nova, and you guys have seen me with this two-piece before in Rwanda, remember? So yeah, that's my face card. Like, I'm wearing this wig, this bob. I'm trying to remember where I bought this hair actually from Love Me Hair. If you know Love Me Hair, I actually got it from Love Me Hair. So it's very, very, very nice bob. I'm supposed to put back my weave tomorrow. Stacy's calling. Oops. Yeah, I need to go. Yeah, so she's calling me and I need to go now. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for the returning subscribers and all the new subscribers. Thank you so much. Don't forget to follow me also on TikTok. There's very nice content there. Latifatago 673. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And let's see what next week holds. So have a very lovely weekend and a week ahead. Mwah. Bye.